Hi guys, today we will learn how to activate Microsoft Office or how to resolve activation key problem. As you can see on my screen, when I open my MS Word, it shows a windows like this where it shows activation key problem, or it shows that it is not activated. Product activation failed. Or when you close this windows and when you open a blank document, you can see an interface like this of your MS Word where your ribbon and your tabs has been locked, and it shows as black and white in your ribbons and in your tabs. And in the bottom you can see here a message like you can't make this change because the selection is locked. It happens when your Microsoft Office is not activated or you have a Microsoft Office activation failure. So for that, first of all, you need to purchase your Microsoft activation keys from official website of Microsoft Office, and just change your product key and your problem will be solved. The other alternative option is that just close your Microsoft Word and go to Windows tab and just type File Explorer just like this, and then click on local disk C in which your Windows is being installed, and then click on Program Files, and then click on Microsoft Office, and then go to Office 16. When you open Office 16, you can see here different programs. On the third option you can see a command prompt. Just right click on it and run as administrator. Run it for the 3 times. Just like this. And close this, and now we will check that our MS Word is working or not, or our activation key problem is fixed or not. For that, just open your MS Word like this. You can see that the windows which was coming earlier, it is not now see on your MS Word. It has been disappeared, and when you open a blank document, you can see your interface normally. Every tab and ribbon is being unlocked, and the message which you were facing earlier, it is also been disappeared, and you can edit any document you want to edit in your MS Word just like this, and you can apply any style, any properties on your text just like this, and the activation key problem is being solved. So this is how you can resolve your activation key problem and use your Microsoft Word normally.